creating chaos by cracking stupid jokes. And I really need to thank Lali, Sudha Auntie, Krishnan Uncle, Kaman, everyone. Thanks a lot.
The thing I'm going to take away from Valley, I mean, something that is most memorable for me is all the relationships that I've built with everyone over here, with all my classmates. You guys are amazing. With all my teachers. I mean, I've never met adults who can, be so free and just understand youth so well as whatever. And and I just want to thank everybody over here for making it a really nice 2 years. And I'll definitely come back here again and again. Thank you.
I really don't have much to say. I just want to thank my juniors, my seniors, teachers like Kaman, Krishna Uncle, Shanky, Lali, Jazz not here though, Vinny of course there. And thanks a lot. Thanks you guys also.
I think the past 12 years have been really, really nice fun, and it'll be really hard going now, but just have to. And thank you. Thanks everyone.
I don't have much to say, but I mean the last. I don't have much to say, but the last 2 years have been, I think, the greatest and will be the greatest years of my life. And thank you all of you for giving me such great years. I just want to thank my teachers. I've never enjoyed studying as much and I don't think I'll ever enjoy studying as much as I have in the last 2 years. And I love you guys, all of you. My bus people, especially, it's actually keeping me awake some days in the bus. And my class, I guess.
I don't know, I've just been here for 2 years, but I would like to thank all my teachers and my classmates for making these 2 years really precious and memorable. And I would like to thank, I'm sorry for all the troubles I've given to everyone, and that's it.
Okay, I came here in the 8th and it seems like I've been here forever. It's been really great, as in 5 years, it's been really nice out here. I'd like to thank my class, my teachers, everyone, juniors, seniors, ex-students, anyone, everyone. It's just been really nice. Thanks everyone. Thanks a lot.
Is it okay if I sit? Day before yesterday morning, I was thinking the farewell's coming up and I should say something, and then I sat and made a list of things to say, but now it feels too prepared and things like that. So basically, I was wondering how I would have ended up and how my life would have ended up if I hadn't come here. And although there's a lot of freedom if you give yourself the freedom, being here and the experience of coming here and growing up here has sort of made me find myself in a way that I wouldn't have anywhere else. And Emu said
I think 3 or 4 years ago in a farewell, that I hope every student who goes out of Valley is a blessing to the world. Now, he says a lot of other things that I don't understand, but this I understood and I will try. So, yeah, thanks all the teachers, not only the ones who taught me in the 12th, but also since 7th. And to name them would take too much time. We don't have. So, thank you. I'd like to thank my class too. I mean, I didn't think I'd get this attached to this class because it's only been 2 years, but I don't know. It just feels like longer. And non-staff, because they make a difference to us because they are the practical, base on which we live. They make our food, they clean the place, they do everything. So that they need a thanks. And juniors and my seniors, ex-students, everyone who's taught me everything that I know now, thanks.
I just want to thank all my teachers who taught class, of course, for making this place a second home. And I think all you guys should go home and thank your parents for sending you all here before it's too late. It's been a wonderful 12 years. I can go on and on about it. But this place is really special. People, it's a cliche to call it a family, but I really hope it stays like that. And that every one of you make sure you value whatever time you spend here. I want to thank everyone, especially my teachers and my class for some superb friends.
Okay, firstly I'd like to thank my parents for putting me here and my classmates. I've never been so close to an entire class in my whole life. And of course Anand and Sheena for the fantastic bus journeys. And of course all my teachers for everything. To me, everything.
This has really been my first home since I was in the second. I've been here for 11 years and I've just had the most amazing time and I've learned so many values which I think I'm going to carry for the rest of my life. And I just really want to thank my teachers because I've shared such a good relationship with them, and my class, they've made such amazing friends, and yeah, thank you. I've been here just for 2 years, but I really miss this place. I'd like to thank my classmates. We have a lot of characters in our class, and almost all of them are really hard to forget. There have been hyper ones, quieter ones, people who like to gossip, but lots of people. And my teachers, Kaman for being really funny in class. Shankaraman sir, thanks for putting up with me, even though I'm really bad at math. Radharam uncle's classes have been really funny. And the Art Village classes have also been loads of fun. Chandan, you've been a really fabulous pottery teacher. And I can't do a single thing without Chandan. I guess Valley's really changed me in these 2 years. I've become a different person. I mean, not entirely, but it's definitely changed something in me. And yeah, thanks.
Although I've been here only for 2 years, living on the campus has really made a difference. I'm not only going to miss the teachers and my juniors, I'm also going to miss just living on this campus, the waters, the rainy season. It's just fantastic. I don't think I'd have such a great time again in my life. Thanks a lot.
These 12 years in Valley have been highlights because I haven't seen any other place outside school. And it is literally a home to me, so my mind can't even see what I'm going to do in the future. I don't see myself leaving the place. It hasn't hit me. But it has been really, really special. It's been everything that I have. I want to thank all the teachers. I may have been a little overbearing or extra frank, so I want to say sorry, Kaman, especially you. And it's been really wonderful, and you guys have really put up with my hyperness, mood swings, everything. So thanks a lot. It's really been. It's just amazing. It's like paradise.
And Parekh sir, last year we had really good fun in the hostel. And
Something
sorry
happened.
for embarrassing you and everything, but we really love you. And to my class, if anything happens, मैं हूँ ना.
Class 10 was a special class. Years I was with you as your class teacher. Very caring, very adorable. Be that way always. And I want to see all of you back next year. Class 12, it's not a class for me, it's Amu's class. It's been Amu's world and it's my world too. I've seen every day I've travelled along with her to the school. Evenings we spend time together just talking about you all. And along with her, I've seen the joys of growing up with wonderful friends. I've learned from her what friendship all can be about. And I know how supportive you all are to each other at all times. It's great, be that way always. As a teacher's most memorable moments, being with you all class 4, then being your economics teacher, very challenging group, very scary group. I've had to come to class very scared, not knowing what questions you're going to pose to me. Half the time I didn't have the answers, but I learned what it is to be a teacher to a challenging group. Yeah, it's been wonderful. Each one of you a very, very special place in my heart. To end, I must tell what Sue writes in her test papers. So always there's a sorry note in her test papers, and the excuses she gives are longer than essay answers. But I couldn't give you marks, Sue, for that. But it's been wonderful. All the best to each one of you in your life. Take care.
Yeah, I've been with these 12 standards only for 2 years. And I think we struck an instant rapport. They're a wonderful bunch, amazingly talented, and I saw it in the Anthony, even though we delayed it by a year. It was amazing. In fact, people like Priyanka and Aldi, you have been amazing revelation actually. It was nice to see you all in the Anthony. Class 12 math was new to me. Unfortunately, these children happen to be my guinea pigs. So, the only way to compensate for my inefficiency was to have extra classes. Do you see too many boys here? No, in this class, not only do the boys are the girls outnumbering the boys, they also overpower them. So all I had to do was just suggest it to them that I need an extra class, and they will get it organized. But thanks to you all, you all put up with all those extra classes. I'm very sorry, but that's the only way we could work. Thanks a lot to you. So, class 10, hey, they're certainly innocent. Really, I wonder why you question that. Yeah, absolutely innocent.
And I hope all of you will come back. Maybe some of you are leaving. That's what you shared with me. Let's see if you change your mind and you will all come back. And as for class 12, I've really not taught anything to this class, almost till class 11. And yes, for a small group, I have taught in my series. really enjoyed. I've watched you all grow anyway, even if I've not taught. I've seen you all grow, and again to say that this class has this majority of girls, very vociferous, very dominant, clear. Yes, that's the way it should. I'm about it. It's women's lib. Wish you all the very best in whatever.
It's the craziest class I've worked with. There are times I felt like pulling my hair out, especially in the 8th standard. But I think I've had the maximum fun with them, and I think I have learned what it is to be a teacher through them. So I'm very grateful for y'all, and I think you fellows should do a lot of theatre. You have it in you, and you should just keep doing it wherever you are, and I really will miss you. And that's for sure. And the 10th, I will really miss your eccentricities. I think even Anushka has her own. So anyway, good luck and God bless.
Krishna! 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 Krishna, please!
Sidhu, one more. Come on, Sidhu, number one.
I haven't taught the 10th or the 12th, and I thank the good Lord for that. I don't know how I know all of you, but I seem to know all of you. I think I danced with you guys, and I think I danced with you also. And I don't know how else. We played a lot of volleyball. You've been my volleyball game teachers. Antigone, yeah, we worked a lot in Antigone, and Auntie is gone. Yeah, the Himalayan trek also, and the Baila Coupe, some of us. Yeah, I've known all of you. I think you're a talented bunch. Nice, good children. Yeah, just take care. Wherever you are, however you are, just take care. Okay? Visit us, we'll all be old and toothless. Come back and say hi. Okay. Take care, bye.